Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jebas. Today I'm going to show you to make an irresistibly delicious Indian street style dish. If you love pasta and you're a die-hard fan of Indian food, then this desi masala pasta is the perfect recipe for you. Let's begin by cooking the pasta. Boil 2 liters of water in a saucepan. When the water reaches a rolling boil, add a tablespoon of salt and 2 cups of pasta. Here I am using macaroni pasta today. You can use penne or any other variety, the choice is yours. Give it a good stir so that the pasta doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Cook for 7 minutes on a high flame or until it's 3/4 cooked. Let's check. The pasta is nice and done. Strain the water. Now add a tablespoon of oil and toss the pasta so that the oil coats to the pasta. The oil will not allow the pasta to stick to each other. Next, in a wok, take a teaspoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. As the butter is melting away, add 1 onion that's finely chopped and saute this on a high flame for 2 minutes or until the onion turns pink and translucent. Next, add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute for a minute on a high flame or until the raw flavor fades. For the written recipe, please visit my blog at www.deliciouslyjebas.com. Now add 2 green chilies that's finely chopped and saute on a high flame for a minute. You know, the aroma from the butter, onion, ginger garlic paste is heavenly. Add 2 tomatoes that's finely chopped and again saute it on a high flame until it turns mushy. Add salt as required to the dish and give it a good mix. You know, this is such a kid-friendly pasta recipe and will make an ideal lunchbox dish. Now add a teaspoon of chili flakes or chili powder. Add a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of crushed pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and mix until they are well combined. Please try this recipe and share your experiences in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to read your experiences. Now add 1 carrot that's roughly chopped, 10 French beans that's finely chopped, 4 to 5 button mushrooms that's roughly chopped. This is optional and give it a good mix. You know, this dish brings a desi twist to the authentic Italian pasta to meet the taste buds of spice lovers. Now add half a cup of corn kernels and mix gently. This dish is extremely flavorful, quick and easy to make. Now add a cup of water and again mix well. Hey, got some fuzzy eaters at home? Don't worry, sneak in as many vegetables as possible and watch them disappear in a flash. Cover with the lid and cook on a medium flame for 5 minutes. Let's check. The veggies are cooked to perfection. Now add 1 green capsicum that's roughly chopped and give it a good mix. This adds a distinct flavor and the crunch for the dish. Then add 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup, and quarter cup of processed cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese here, and mix it well. You can follow me on Facebook and Insta, and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. Now add the cooked pasta. Don't think it's clumpy. See how it spreads out. Mix the masala and the pasta until they are well incorporated. You can also see the cheese melting into the dish. Our masala pasta is ready. Finally, finish off the dish with some coriander leaves. And the juice of half a lemon. Please hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Give it a final mix. And the dish is ready to be served. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. You know, this dish can be eaten anytime during the day, be it a breakfast or lunch or dinner or even as an evening time snack. Transfer the dish to a serving bowl. It'll be tangy, sweet and super spicy. Garnish with few coriander leaves and some shredded cheese before serving it piping hot. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'll meet you with another delicious recipe next week. Until then, it's Jeba signing off. Bye-bye.